Hi friends, in this video let us solve the signal system related question asked in GATE 2005 instrumentation paper. The question is the fundamental period of sequence x of n is equal to 3 sine 1.3 pi n plus 0.5 pi n plus 5 sine 1.2 pi n is dash. So it is a discrete sequence. So we have to check individually whether this is periodic n1. It is periodic with period n2. Then we have to combine x of n is periodic or not. Let us first find the n1. N1 is given by 2 pi by omega 1 m, right? So what is omega 1? Omega 1 is 1.3 pi because the general format is a sin omega n. So it is 1.3 pi m. M is an integer. So I can write 1.3 pi as 13 pi by 10, that will come out into m. So m is any integer which makes n1 as integer. So pi will cancel. When you substitute m is equal to 13, this will become 20. So n1 is equal to 20 for m is equal to 13. Okay, next to n2. n2 is 2 pi by omega 2. Omega 2 is this one, 1.2 pi. So 1.2 pi m. 2 pi by 1.2 I write as 12 pi by 10, that 10 comes up. So this will be cancelled. When you substitute m is equal to 12, it will become 20. So n2 is equal to 20 for m is equal to 12. Okay, fine. So what is n1? n1 is 20, n2 is 20. When x of n is periodic, when n1 by n2 is rational. That is the condition that we know for any combination signal to be periodic. So what is n1? 20, n2 is 20. 20 by 20 is 1, that is ratio of integer. So it is rational. So x of n is periodic. So what is fundamental period? That's what they asked. So n1 by n2 is equal to n, we find it. So n1 by n2 is equal to 1, that is equal to n. So this implies n1, n1, n2. So what I do, this implies n1 is equal to n2. n1 by n2 is equal to 1. So n1 is equal to n2, which is equal to n. So n is equal to 20, n2. So n is 20. So the value of fundamental period n is 20. That is the correct answer. Thank you.